to RS Group of Schools. I am Gaurav Sharma, your computer teacher. Today I am making a video for the revision purpose of your examination with the help of some exercises of different chapters. So students, this is the exercise of chapter first. Now see what is first question. The data when processed is turned into information. When a data is processed, it is turned into information. Who is known as father of computers? That is Charles Babbage. You all know father of computer named as Charles Babbage. Computers that work by counting are known as digital computer. In digital computers we use digits for data, so these computers are called as digital computers. On the basis of size, what is known as smallest computer means that is microcomputer. Microcomputer is the smallest computer on the basis of size. Computer is known as in Hindi language, that is Sangadak. Okay, Sangadak is the Hindi meaning of computer. Powerful computer of present time, that is supercomputer. Supercomputer is the most powerful computer as compared to micro, mini and mainframe computer. Supercomputer is the most powerful computer of this time. Next is the model of difference engine is represented by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage represents the model of difference engine. The first electromechanical machine is Mark I. Mark I is the first electromechanical machine. Sometimes we confused with electromechanical and fully electronic machine. That is, if we asked the name of fully electronic machine, first fully electronic machine, that is ENIAC, ENIAC, and if we asked for first electromechanical machine, that is Mark I. This is the last question of chapter first. Example of word processor is MS Word. MS Word is the example of word processor. Students, now see, this is the exercise of chapter 2. First question is advantages of computer network is share use of components, full reliable, friendly, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Okay. Next is network node is a computer connect to a network. Any computer that is connected to the network is called node. Next is for what among the following is computer is used? For sharing use of component, for sharing database, for delivery of data, all of the above. As you all know, the answer is all of the above. In which topology data transmission is based on satellite? That is star topology. In star topology we use satellite to transmit the data. In which topology one node, it is node, NODE, is fail, all node will be fail. In star topology, this is wrong answer. The right answer is ring topology. In your book the answer is mentioned as star topology, but the right answer is ring topology. If one node is failed in ring topology, all the nodes will be failed. Network is working in only one house, that is LAN, local area network. Data transmit only one side at a time is in simplex transmission. It is also a mistake. In simple transmission it is correctly known as simplex transmission. Next is data communicate in coaxial cable in analog and digital both. Next is in the following which data communication medium has faster data transmission, that is fiber optic. In India, which data communication medium is mostly used in transmission? It is also fiber optics. In the following which device is used for modulation and demodulation? The device is modem. Process for converting digital signal into analog signal is known as modulation. In which transmission medium data transfer in ultraviolet rays? It is microwave circuit. What is network node? As we discussed before, a computer connect from network. In which topology main node is failed, all network is failed? It is star topology. In star topology, if server is failed, then all the network will be failed. What is TCP/IP? It is a network protocol. In which transmission medium data transfer in all over the world? In satellite transmission. Answer is satellite transmission. By static transmission, which network topology is based? Star topology. In which field ATM machine is used? It is electronic banking. Now see, this is the exercise of chapter 3. Telephone lines carry which type of signals? It is analog signal. Email is an example of half duplex. Converting digital signal into analog signal is known as modulation. Bits are transferred sequentially one by one in serial transmission. Which connection is available through telephone lines? It is dial-up and leased line both. Answer is both A and B. Now see, this is the exercise of chapter 4. Internet in which type of network? That is WAN, wide area network. How many computers can be connected in a network? Uncountable. Any number of computers we can connect to a network. Internet net service provider is ISP, that is internet service provider. What does Telnet program? Telnet program processing on other computer. What is the full name of FTP? File Transfer Protocol. What is web browser? It is a software program which is not which is not internet service. The answer is postal mail. Postal mail not a internet service. Which of the following topology used in internet? Star topology is used in internet. Internet protocol is a group of rules. In your book, this answer is wrong. The right answer is a group of rules. So students, revise these exercises for exam preparation. Keep studying and be happy always. Thank you.